Good morning, Vyom.
Good morning, Mom.
Did you sleep well?
Yes, I did. What about you?
I slept well too. Come on, it's time to freshen up.
Okay, Mom. Can I brush my teeth first?
Of course, after that, we'll have breakfast.
Mom, what's for breakfast?
Today we have poha and milk.
Yay! I love poha.
Good boy. Finish your food and get ready for school.
Yes, Mom.
Don't forget to pack your water bottle.
I won't, Mom. Let's go.
Have a nice day at school.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Welcome back, Vyom. How was your day?
It was fun, Mom. I learned a new poem.
That's great. Come on, change your clothes and freshen up.
Okay, Mom.
Here's your evening snack.
Wow! My favorite fruits and biscuits.
Eat well. We'll study after this.
Okay, Mom.
Let's start with your homework.
I have English and math today.
Good. I'll help you with English first.
Okay, Mom.
Come for dinner, Vyom.
What's for dinner, Mom?
Roti, dal, and sabzi.
Yummy! I'm super hungry.
Time to take a bath.
I'll wear my favorite pajamas.
Good boy. Don't forget to wash behind your ears.
I won't, Mom. Mom, can you tell me a story?
Sure. Tonight's story is about a brave lion.
Yay! I love animal stories.
Now listen carefully. Good night, Vyom. Sweet dreams.
Good night, Mom. I love you.
I love you too.